My name is Daniel Feldman. I'm the Senior Manager of Horticulture here at the Natural History Museum. For us here in our drought-tolerant, mostly California native garden, fall is pretty much the best time and the only time we want to plant. We have cooler temperatures than you do in summer. The evenings start to cool off, the soil temperatures really start to cool down. You have the potential for rainfall in the next few months. So those things combined are really going to help to get your native plants and drought-tolerant plants established. I really like the California native buckwheats. There's probably 5 or 6 different species of them in the gardens. The nature gardens, they attract a wide range of insect diversity and are very attractive too. In the following months, I would look out for migratory birds starting to show up in the gardens on their flight paths from elsewhere. And also our first native plant blooms. The manzanita flowers open up usually late November and early December. So that's kind of one of our first good blooms in the garden. And also a little bit of fall color on the Rogers red grapes and some of the other plants.